Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. My name is Yasmin, and today I'm making a tour for my boys. So the first one requested that I make some for them this afternoon for supper. I think it's almost 4 p.m. So they're going to have it. I'll say for supper, but I'm sure they'll have something else before they sleep. So I'm going to go ahead and prep everything today. The second one took a nap, so he's a bit cranky, so I may not be able to film with them. But I mean, if they join in later, fine. If not, fine. I hope you watch me, okay? So for Etor, I'm going to need plantains and eggs for them, and then we'll buy some granuts probably, and then put that on top because they like the Etor with granuts a lot. So I'm going to start now, and then yeah, let's walk through the process with me, okay? Nice. Anyway. Hey, why are you opening the fridge? Huh? No. You want to check it what? Hey, let's watch it. You're going to make it up. Huh?
I didn't know how to mention Ghana. Can I do?
Say. So, So, and we didn't want to full. Do like this. Don't do like this. Then you go to another spot. Don't do it at the same place. With time. Oh, sorry. Don't worry. With time, when some year, I'll beat me. Alright. Bye. Which you, sir. Use an amino. Good job. Hey, Anna. Okay. Thank you. Hey, we want found some can kuchu anu kan ke be shock me. I hope you're inspired to try this simple Etor recipe. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Please leave your comments down below and share on your way out. And until we see each other again, as always, keep blooming.